Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to make this pattern dress. It's a notch collar A-line dress having front buttons. So for this I took around 2 meters of this multicolored fabric and half meters of this orange self-designed fabric to make my collar. So first fold the fabric lengthwise from the middle and from this open side mark 2 inches and fold this. Now from the folded side, fold this fabric again in this way. So it's a 4-layered fabric. Now first we are going to mark our patterns onto the fabric. So this I already shared the video of how to make the notch collar in this tutorial. You can check in my channel. So first you need to set this pattern. Likewise, from the top leave around ½ inch. While making this pattern, I left 1.5 inches of overlap, so I'm adjusting my paper pattern accordingly by setting it like this on my fabric in this way and just pin this. Now first trace this pattern, the neckline, the shoulders, armhole and the sides. Now remove the paper pattern and here I'm going to mark the back pattern's neckline to ½ inches downward. First cut the bottom side and the sides. With this remaining fabric I'm going to make my sleeves. So this much fabric is enough to make my 3/4 sleeves. Now first take 2 layers and cut the back pattern, a shoulder drop of 1 inch. Now remove this back pattern and put your front pattern paper like this. Now cut this out. Now this is a 4 layer of fabric, the remaining one. From the top mark 10th part of your chest. I'm marking 3.4 inches. So marking of the sleeves are done and now cut this out. Sleeves are ready. Now with the remaining fabric I'm going to make 3 inches wider strips and then later we'll join it to make a long strip. So these are the pieces. So it's a separate ½ meters of self-designed fabric from which I'm going to make my collar. After tracing, mark here 3 inches and join these 2 points with the help of palm ruler. And we need to cut this out. Its length you can decide according to whatever open you want your collar to be. So you can take that much length. This will give a contrast look to your neckline. Now I'm going to add these strips. So these are the 2 strips ready to join into my body's pattern. This is the back pattern. Now place both the front and back parts together and join the shoulders. So done with joining the shoulders. Now let's calculate how much long collar we want. But in my case I already made this pattern, so I will cut according to this, and this is the already made pattern of my collar. So I'm just going to place it onto this folded fabric and leaving around ½ inches on all the sides. I'm going to cut this out measurements. So here are the 2 pieces for the collar and then you need to sew it. Now cut the extra fabric. Now the collar is ready. Hold it from the middle and mark the center point and match the center point of both the bodies and the collar. Pin it and start sewing, leaving around ½ inch. Just sew it till the shoulder line. You don't need to sew all. So till the shoulder. Let's add this strip to make our lapel. So place both the strip and the fabric right sides inside, and now first we need to sew it straight, leaving around ½ inch from top to bottom. With the help of your pattern, just mark your neck depth here and around ½ inch mark here on both these sides and give a small notch. Do the same to the other side also. And now you need to turn your stitching margin in the opposite direction. So from the top, put your stitching margin inside this main bodice and give one more top stitch till this 1 inch mark, and then turn your footer up, and from this point turn your stitching margin to the opposite side towards the strip side. Now after giving the top stitch, we need to sew this area also. So till your collar you need to give stitches here. Now you need to give a small notch onto your main fabric, then you can turn it easily. See, like this. Now this is the remaining fabric which you need to sew it onto this stitching margin line. When you reach the shoulder, just fold it ½ inch and sew it. So adjust this fabric to the stitching margin of your shoulder line. Place it in this way and start sewing. Now when you reach the shoulder line, just pull this ½ inch and again sew it. So here's our one pattern of the collar is ready. Now we need to conceal the raw edges of this strip, so just fold it once. This strip and start sewing. This is how your collar will look. Now let's make the other piece. Now you can see this is the open side, the back pattern we had not sewn yet. So for that, just take one part of your collar and the main fabric and start sewing the middle part. Make sure to match the center points of both the collar and the main fabric. So till the shoulders part, and here you can see the nice finishings. So our collar is ready, and this portion is opened. You can see you can join it by using the fusing tape. So here I sticked it using the fusing tape. Now I'm going to add this contrast color strip to the bottom of my kurti too, and it's done. The same thing I'm going to do with my sleeves. Give a hem to the back part of your kurti too. Now after joining the sleeves, just measure the sides. I also added pockets here. Now sew the sides. So here's my kurti is almost ready. I attached the buttons too. Now put your button and measure its width in this way, and now you are ready to add the buttonholes. It will go backward, so make sure to adjust it like that. After making the buttonholes, my kurti will be ready. So here's my notch collared kurti is ready. You can experiment many stylish looks with this single dress. Like if you want a formal office wear dress, then you can accessorize it with leather belt or make a fabric belt instead if you have enough fabric left. Another way of wearing this dress is to open all buttons and wear it as a shrug or jacket. Inside it, you can opt for any deep neck crop top, spaghetti and jeans, or any solid color umbrella kurti. Also, if you wear it with leggings, churidars or palazzos, it will look like a kurti. And if you wear it without any bottoms, it will look like a midi dress. So one dress, many options. Choose wisely. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.